It's time to learn about birds from A to Z. Can you name that bird? Look, it's an ostrich. An ostrich can run very fast, it can kick with its strong legs, and it can live up to 20 years. Next, it's a penguin. Penguins can swim very well in the water. They have flippers to help them steer. And did you know that penguins only sleep while standing? Next, we have a parrot. Parrots can talk just like us. They like to repeat words and phrases. Some parrots can even learn to say their own name. Next is a pigeon. Pigeons like to coo and they like to eat. They often eat scraps of food that people leave out for them. Let's keep going with a hawk. Hawks can fly very high in the sky. They have keen eyesight so they can spot prey from far away. Now it's a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny birds that can fly backwards. Their beaks are long and thin, perfect for sipping nectar from flowers. Up next is a donkey. Donkeys are large birds that live in Africa. They have long necks and legs, just like ostriches. Now let's look at an eagle. Eagles are powerful birds of prey. They have sharp talons and strong beaks. They can carry their prey back to their nest high up in the trees. Next is a blue jay. Blue jays are noisy birds that live in North America. They have a loud call that sounds like jay, jay, jay. Now it's a goose. Geese are large birds that travel in groups called flocks. They honk loudly and they like to swim in ponds and lakes. Next, we have a cardinal. Cardinals are small birds with bright red feathers. They like to sing and they are often seen at bird feeders. Now let's look at a crow. Crows are black birds that live all over the world. They are very smart and they can solve problems. Next is a dove. Doves are small birds that have two very distinct markings. They are often seen flying in pairs. Now let's look at a flamingo. Flamingos are pink birds that live in flocks. They filter feed, which means they use their beaks to catch small fish and other aquatic creatures. Next is a gull. Gulls are white birds with gray wings. They often live near the coasts and they like to steal food from people. Next, we have a hawk owl. Hawk owls have big, round faces and they have excellent night vision. They like to hunt small mammals and birds. Next is a kingfisher. Kingfishers are small birds that like to dive into the water to catch fish. They have long, pointed beaks and short, stubby legs. Next, we have a kookaburras are large birds that live in Australia. They have a loud laugh that can be heard from far away. Next, it's a nightingale. Nightingales are small birds that live in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are famous for their beautiful singing. Next, we have an owl. Owls are nocturnal birds that have excellent night vision. They have big, round faces, and they like to hunt small mammals and birds. Now, let's look at a peacock. Peacocks are large birds that are known for their beautiful tail feathers. The males have long, colorful trains that they spread out to attract a mate. Next is a penguin. We already met this guy earlier. He likes to slide and play in the snow. Next, we have a puffin. Puffins are small birds that live in the northern hemisphere. They have colorful beaks and they are excellent swimmers. Now let's look at a raven. Ravens are large black birds that have a rough, croaking call. They are very intelligent and they are often seen scavenging for food. Next is a robin. Robins are small birds that are known for their red breasts. They are often seen hopping around in the grass. All right, we made it to the letter Z. Can you name that bird? Buzz. It's a zebra finch. Zebra finches are small songbirds that are native to Australia. They have distinctive black and white stripes on their bodies. And there you have it. We went from A to Z with all these amazing birds. Which one was your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos.